Question number 14. So cylinder X has a volume V. Okay, let us write down the diagram. Cylinder X has a volume V and a pressure P1. I do not know what is the pressure, and contains 3 mole of an ideal gas. Okay, 3 moles of an ideal gas. 3 moles is given. And the cylinder Y has a volume V by 2 and contains 2 moles of an ideal gas. Cylinder Y has a volume V by 2. I have written it bigger. Okay, anyway, this is 2 moles. The gases in X and Y are at temperature T. Okay, these are at same temperature. These contains are joined by a valve. Okay, I put a valve here, and then which is open, so temperature do not change. Okay, what is the change in pressure in X? Okay, so now what happens is, if I open this, initially what we do is, let us apply the gas equation. Which one? Ideal gas. So which will, I can write this as a P1 into V is equal to 3 times R into T, and for this one it will be P2 into V divided by 2 is equal to 2 times RT. PV equal to nRT. I will use that equation. Okay, and when I have joined, when I open the valve over here, the gas equation now gets modified as the final pressure becomes P, and then the final volume becomes V plus V by 2, which is 3V by 2, and the amount of gas over here, this had 3 moles of gas and this had 2 moles of gas, so totally it is 5 moles, N into RT. I'll write like this because temperature is not changing. Okay, so therefore the pressure here should be written as 10 RT divided by 3V, right? I can write like this here. In a similar way, here also I can write P1 is equal to 3 RT divided by V. I can write like this over here. Are we doing rightly? 2 5s are 10, 3V. Yeah, right. Okay. Now what is being asked? The condition is, what is the change in pressure in X? Of course, P2 here also will change, but we want only this P1 over here. So which means the new pressure in this one should be P1 minus P. Okay, or what is the change over here? Okay, so now the value here would be now equal to 3 RT by V minus 10 RT divided by 3V, right? So first of all, I'm sorry, this is not P1 minus P, this should be P minus P1, final pressure minus initial pressure, which should be 10 RT by 3V minus 3 RT divided by V. So when I do this, I get the LCM here as 3V, and this is 3 is 10 RT minus 9 RT, which should be equal to RT divided by 3V. So RT by 3V, 1/3 of RT by V. Answer is E.